We are back like we never left. What's good, everybody? Thank you guys for tuning in today. Today we're going to get into it. When do I know, that it's the perfect time? Is it easy to see? Well, we're about to find out. But before we get into it, if you are new to the channel, welcome. If you want to become officially a part of the squad, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that bell notification down bottom. And now you can get these updates daily as we explore mindset and careers and schooling and so much more. But now that we got all that out the way, let's get into it right now. I don't know. I probably should just do it. Just go for it. Nah. But it looks like it's about to rain outside. Just never mind. Here's your answer. The perfect time for when you should actually decide to do it. Honestly, you made the move when you did because you were convinced in your mind that you needed to do it at that moment. That, my friend, is the perfect time. So let's look at a relationship. Well, when should I leave? When it's so unbearable that you say, I'm out. When you are so embarrassed that you walk away. When you are so unhappy, you feel the need to find something better. A lot of people would tell you, oh, it's when the sun is shining and you caught every green light on your way to work and you learned the perfect thing to say and you scripted it and it was all in your, you got it all figured out. Nope. It's when you actually decide to do it. That is the perfect time. There is no other answer. Oh, well, it's 5 o'clock on the dot. They're sitting, it doesn't matter. The perfect timing is when you decide to do it. There's no magic clock or trick to teach you on when, hey, I'm going to go launch this business. It doesn't exist. You're always going to have things you never considered come up. When I started my business 14 years ago, I didn't know what the hell I was doing. I didn't understand all the nuances of marketing and sales. I didn't understand how to network with clients. I just knew I wanted to do something on my own. I wanted to own it. And I said, screw it. I'm just going to do it. That, my friend, was perfect timing. And look, I understand. We all want to know that business idea that we came up with is going to succeed. Or the girl or the guy that you really likes you just as much as you do. Oh, I was digging you too. I'm glad you said something. But reality is, you just have to make the best timing that is best for you. There is no other answer. And if you think you should wait, then just wait. But if you're primed and ready to go for it, then I would advise you to just do it right now. The perfect time is when you say it is. Now, don't be surprised if you waited too long and now the opportunity kind of passed you by, but just believe that because you were and are the person that you are, that there will be more opportunities for you in the future. And the law of attraction will make it such if you are living your life the right way, if you are bringing positive vibes into your life, if you are focused on your self-improvement and growing your own personal brand. Then all of the things that you want and deserve in life will come back to you tenfold. You just have to believe it. It won't be tomorrow. It may not be next week, possibly next year, or even 5 years from now. But it will be. It will be if you want it to be. Just be patient and live your life the right way. Stay focused on the things that you can control, on improving yourself so that everything that comes into your life later is now what? Just a complement to what I have already built, to the foundation that I have already built. This is now the best of the best because I have already built it to be so. And keep yourself sane by knowing that when the time comes, you'll know. We all have that feeling that now is the time. But that decision is yours. Don't let anybody rush you into making a decision that you're not ready to make. In your own time, you'll wake up that morning and you'll say, today is the day. And if you don't, then maybe you will tomorrow. Maybe you will next year. Maybe you will 10 years down. That's okay. That is your perfect time. Thank you guys so much, as always, for tuning in today. I appreciate every single one of you. If no one has told you that today, I do appreciate you. Make sure, if you haven't, throughout the course of the video, that you hit that subscribe button on your way out and that bell notification so you can get these updates daily. Hope you guys enjoyed the video today. I appreciate every single one of you. Have an amazing day. Stay strong and stay inspired. And until I see you guys next time, as always, peace.